Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Rogue key battery. First, locate the small release button on the back of your key fob. Press this button and pull out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot where you will insert your flathead screwdriver. Be gentle as you proceed to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Having the right tools ready makes this a very straightforward task. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small indentation. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply a gentle twisting motion to separate the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a slight click as the casing begins to split. Take your time and avoid excessive force to prevent any damage to the internal components or the plastic shell. It's designed to open easily. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, round battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive, plus, side facing upwards, just like the old one. Ensure it sits snugly in its compartment for proper contact. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Make sure there are no gaps and the casing is fully sealed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a reassuring click. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great tips and product recommendations, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for links and other deals. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.